नई पहचान, भर लो उड़ान, छू लो आसमान, नए भारत की है नई पहचान।
Hello everyone. Today we, the adhesive makers from Gateway International School, I Anush, I Viksit,
I am Anshuman.
and I Anshuman, are going to make a water-based tamarind non-toxic glue. See, the synthetic glue is really toxic and not biodegradable. It causes water pollution. So we took an initiation and tried to make water-based tamarind seed glue which is not toxic and biodegradable. Let's see what is our process.
In this process, we will clean the seeds, boil and peel them, dry and grind them. Then we will prepare the slurry by adding water to it. Then we will heat and stir it so that we can extract the liquid by putting in the centrifuging machine and filter it to get the glue.
Now let's see the process.
We took a tamarind and separated its seeds.
After that, we will crush the tamarind seeds and add water to make the slurry.
After making the slurry, we will boil it to the 90 degrees for several hours and then we will dry it.
After drying, we will put it in the test tubes and then put it into the centrifuge machine.
Everybody.
Then we will start the centrifuge machine. After taking out from the centrifugal machine, we got the residue here and the glue here. Now we will apply this on the paper and see how it sticks. As we can see, after applying the tamarind seed glue, the paper sticks to itself.
All the credit goes to our Savitri ma'am, who is our science teacher. Thank you ma'am for giving us guidance.
विकसित भारत की बात, दिस इज इंडिया, ये भारत मेरी जान, भर लो उड़ान, छू लो आसमान, नए भारत की है नई पहचान, भर लो उड़ान, छू लो आसमान, नए भारत की है नई पहचान। भर लो उड़ान, छू लो आसमान, नए भारत की है नई पहचान, भर लो उड़ान, छू लो आसमान, नए भारत की है नई पहचान। दिस इज इंडिया, ये भारत मेरी जान।